Hey everyone, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful flower with petals. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's start with the center of the flower. Draw a small circle in the middle of your paper. This will be the flower's core. Next, we will add the petals starting from the edge of the circle. Draw an elongated oval shape that curves slightly at the tip. This will be your first petal. Continue drawing petals around the center. Each petal should overlap slightly with the previous one to give the flower a natural look. Try to make them roughly the same size and shape. Once you have drawn the first layer of petals, you can add a second layer behind the first. These petals can be slightly smaller and peek out from between the gaps of the first layer. Now let's add some details to our petals. Draw a free light lines from the base to the tip of each petal to represent the veins. This will give your flower more texture and depth. To complete the flower, we can add a stem and a couple of leaves. Draw a straight line down from the center of the flower for the stem. Then add two leaves on either side by drawing oval shapes with pointed ends if you want. And there you have it, a simple yet beautiful flower with petals. Feel free to color it in and add your own personal touches. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you next time on Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Thank you very much.